Hello Year 4, it's Miss Bellis here. How are you today? I hope you're well. Today we're finishing off our learning on symmetry. So here is our in focus, and it says make the figure symmetrical by adding more orange and green squares. How would you do this? Where could the mirror line be? Could there be more than one line? And how will this affect how the figure looks? Is there more than one answer? Have a go and see what you think. Holly has done this. She says that this is the line of symmetry. Do you agree? Is her figure symmetrical, and how do you know? We know that a line of symmetry is like a folding line. It folds the figure into two halves which completely overlap each other. And I think we can see that if we folded this along Holly's line, we would have a symmetrical shape, same on both sides. We have our 6 orange squares of the same size and position from the line. And our green square is the same size and position from the line. It's a mirror image. Charles has done it this way. His line of symmetry is here. Do you agree? We can see that, like Holly, his orange and green blocks exactly reflect each other. Same amount of blocks and the same distance. So even though his figure is different from Holly's, it's still symmetrical. Hannah has done this. Is this figure symmetrical? And where is the line of symmetry? This is very different to Holly and Charles's shapes. We might have a clue here. She asks if there is more than one line of symmetry. Let's try drawing it. We could try drawing a line vertically through the centre of the shape. We have 3 blocks outwards on each side. We can see that that's worked. If we folded it, the two halves would exactly overlap. But could we add another? Charles had a horizontal line of symmetry, so let's try it. Go through the centre. There are 2 blocks on each side. And again, we can see that if we folded it, it would exactly overlap. Amira has used a diagonal line of symmetry. Is this figure symmetrical? We have the right amount of blocks in the right order. We can also see the blocks have been positioned so that they are the same distance from the line of symmetry. Here, 2 blocks vertically and 2 blocks horizontally. Imagine these were painted on and the paper folded. This is what it would look like when the paper was unfolded, an exact reflection. So for the guided practice, we need to make each pattern symmetrical on either side of the dotted line. Don't forget to notice how far away the shape is from the line of symmetry. And here's our worksheet. It's very similar to the guided practice. You complete each pattern so that it's symmetrical. Question 2 is the same, but this time the line of symmetry is diagonal. And so here are the answers to questions 1 and 2. And here is today's extra challenge. So for this, you need to colour just 1 square in each of these grids to make the shaded shape symmetrical. And that's it for today. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.